We're both like saving the
environment.
environment. So which one is the better option?
Well, honestly, when it comes down to wind power, like they have a ton of windmills in all around the country. I remember my first time really seeing a windmill was in like central Illinois when I'm from the Chicago area. So going down towards central Illinois, I was seeing windmills on these farms, and they were just popping up out of nowhere. And at that time, I was probably like maybe 14. We were going downstate for a track or something, and you'll see these big windmills. I'm like, whoa, what's going on? And now that I know more about the renewable energy space, they were probably getting subsidies like crazy at that time for just putting them on their land.
Land, yeah.
And then when I realized what solar was, 2014, 15, somewhere in there, when I first started to see those panels on top of the roof. And then when I got into the industry in 2016, it was like, whoa, these people are really saving this amount of money knowing what the rates were at that time. And now, me being in 2023, a business owner, a dealer for multiple different installers, and then knowing what the interest rates were, and then I'm like, wow, we've came so far, but yet no one's really taking advantage of what has been already. You
Hmm.
would think that more people will be on top of it, knowing that rates are going up for everything. Like electricity rates are going up. I don't know if you know.
Absolutely.